Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for the beautiful chance to present about my article. I will present to you about my article entitled Improving Students' English Skill by Using the Paper Puppets Learning Media. My name is Joko Prayudha from the University of Bengkulu. Okay, now we move to introduction. Teaching is a way of transferring knowledge to students. Teaching is an activity to transfer knowledge, a value, even character to students. In this case, teaching is how a teacher do his job to make students able to understand about the materials. It's not only materials, it's not only about knowledge, but about the perspective, the values, the knowledge that teacher can transfer to the students. But sometimes in the real field, in the real situation, teacher find so many students who are not really interested in learning process, especially in English. Teacher find so many students are lack of their interest in learning process. This is the biggest problem in our teaching learning process right now, because if a teacher cannot solve this problem, the students cannot shift the achievement, cannot shift the learning goals. So as a teacher, we are a main key in the classroom. So we have to solve the problem with our knowledge, with our professionalism, because we can use so many media, so many strategies or methods and techniques to help students in increasing their learning interest. In this research, in this article, teacher have to use a teaching media that can help students feel comfortable and feel enjoy in the learning. Teaching media is a tool that can help teacher in teaching and a tool that can help students for understanding material. So by using teaching media, it hopes it can help teacher to transfer knowledge, and also for using teaching media, it hopes can make students feel a better understanding with an easy and a fun way. In this article, the researcher choose to use paper puppet. Paper puppet is a simple media from paper that teacher can make based on the things real visualize. It is very simple and easy in use. Paper puppets is a easy media that teacher can buy in the market, or even teacher can make by himself. This media is very simple because the teacher only uh, looking for or only know how to make the visualize that really close with the things. It can be a vocabulary of animals, fruits, things, or even like that. So this is a very simple media that teacher can give for improving student interest in learning. Okay, now about the problem of the research during teaching and learning process. So many students are not interested in learning because the classroom is not creative. So many students feel very bored in learning process because teachers did not use so many creative ways in teaching learning process. So to solve this, teacher can use puppets as a learning media to help students feel enjoy and comfortable in learning English. So next, about the objective of the research. 1. To know about the effectiveness of using puppets for motivate or attract students learning. And 2. To know students' perception about the use of puppet. Next, about the research questions. There are 2 research questions here. 1. How puppet media can attract students' English learning, and how the students' perception in using puppet media for attract students in English learning. Now we move to research methodology. Quantitative research was used in this article and using a descriptive approach. Quantitative use because want to know about the finding numerically. by using number, and after the data was gotten, then the data was described by using descriptive approach. This research was conducted at SMP Negeri 6 Lebong with a sample of 20 students. And then data collection by using tests and try out by using papers in the classroom. And then to get more information about opinion, perception students of the use of papers, interview use for 10 students who are selected randomly. And for data analysis by using statistic descriptive, data reduction, data display, and conclusion. Okay, next about the instrument of the research. The first is papers. This is the example of papers. Teacher can make or can buy this papers in every shop or stationery. This is a very simple media that teacher can use because this is very cheap and easy, fun, and can make students feel very comfortable. Next about the instrument of interview. The interview there are 5 questions related to the student's perception on using papers in learning English. Okay. Next about the result and discussion. The first result is from tryout. Okay, here in the table we can see pre-test and post-test. Pre-test to 20 students and a majority and not majority and the total score is 71.5. This course is not passed by KKM, so before students use papers media, the score and the student understanding is very low about English. About English is very low, and then after teacher give explanation by using media of paper or post-test to 20 students, the final score is 84.2. The final score is very good because so many students know about the vocabulary in English because they say that they feel comfortable and enjoy in learning process. So the result of the use of papers in the classroom before and after use, you can see in the table. Before use the papers media, the score of students in learning English is low, and after teacher give papers media, the scores increase better. And next about the interview result, this is the answer of the interview. The answer of interview explain majority students believe in using papers can give them good impact in understanding the English vocabularies. So yeah, they feel the papers visualize is a very real. They can choose the things the papers with the English they can make English very well after they study by using papers. So now about the conclusion of this article. Teaching is an activity for a teacher in giving understanding about the knowledge, but sometimes in the real field, in the classroom, students find so many students are not very interested in learning. But teacher has a power, has an ability to change this problem. Teacher can use so many activity, teacher can use so many media to help students. In this article, teacher can use papers media as a media that can push students feel comfortable and enjoy and can attract students in a learning English process. Finally, the using papers will give a fun atmosphere, will give a very comfortable situation so students can get more beautiful chance in learning English with a beautiful way. So yeah, I think thank you for my explanation. Good morning. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.